Hello, once again. As you can see in my previous video, I have successfully made the CKY parser table. Now these lexicons that we have provided, it will be now used for the CKY parsing algorithm so that we can see the actual physical representation of the grammar mistakes or invalid sentence or valid sentence that we need to check. So here is the Python code that is used. And as you can see, we have imported the most important packages, that is WordNet Lematizer. It is one of the most important natural language processing package which will use the lexicons which bifurcates the sentence into the words, and it will be useful for us so as to we can detect which word belongs to which lexicon, such as if we input I, if we input you, she, is it a noun or a pronoun? So that's what a WordNet lematizer will be made useful for. These are the root, left, right word. As you can see, these are the CKY parser tree representation, graphical representation, which is not right now, but we will use it as a code representing, such as root node will be used as the starting symbol, that is S. Left and right nodes of the S will be the two non-terminal symbols, and so on the word which is directed towards it. Now, if we, as you saw that the starting symbol has the noun production and verb production. So whether the word will be belong to noun production or whether the word will belong to verb production. This it will be considered by this one, and the score is either is it a correct word, is it a not correct word, and that will be considered as a true or false. So at the end we can see whether the sentence is correct or not. So this is the Python code that is there. And now let's check if it's running properly. Run and run. So now let's check whether the sentence is valid or invalid. Let's go for I want a car. It says yes, because the sentence is completed and I will be going to the pronoun. Want is the verb, is the that is article, and car will be noun. Let's check for another sentence. Let's say book me a car. It says yes. Because in the CKY parcel tool, we saw that the book is the verb production and me is the pronoun, is the death, and car is the noun. So the grammar is completed and the sentence is valid. Let's check if it detects a bigger sentences, such as I want you to book car for me. Yes, it says that the sentence is correct and the lexicon which are provided that are also valid. So the grammar is correct because I want you to book car for me. I will be going as usual in pronoun I, you, and me. Want will be the verb action, to is the preposition, and book is the noun. Oh, sorry. Book is the verb production. Now let's check if the invalid sentences provided are detected correctly or not. Let's go for love, car. No. Why? Because the sentence is not completed. To is something which is like an auxiliary or you can say a preposition. And a sentence should not be ended with a preposition. It should be ended with either pronoun, noun, or an adjective or a noun phrase. So you can see that the love car too, it is not correct. And the flag which is raised, it is invalid. So this is how I detected the valid and invalid sentences. And this is my final project, my Python programming code, and my travel application, which is this one. So I have successfully provided a CKY parsing tool, which will use the parsing algorithm which to detect whether the grammar sentence provided is valid or invalid. And these are my sentences which I have already checked, and I have provided screenshots for it. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a wonderful day and weekend. Thank you so much for listening to my project, and I hope if I have not provided any mistakes from my end, thank you so much.